Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So as you can see, we have to open Settings, go to Bluetooth. In my case Bluetooth is enabled, but the AirPods are not connected. To turn them on, simply open the case, and in most cases that will turn them on. If they're still not activated, you can just put them in your ears and you'll hear the notification sound. After that, if you want to listen to media through your AirPods, open the Control Center, tap right here, and switch from your iPhone speaker to your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So that's how you turn them on and activate them. If you want to turn them off, just put them in the case. They will turn off automatically. Close the case. And as you can see, it automatically switches to iPhone speaker. You can also be sure by opening Bluetooth settings. The connection status has changed to not connected. If it's not working in your case, you can tap the information icon. Let me connect them one more time because that option isn't available right now. So tap the information icon, scroll down, and tap disconnect. You're not going to forget the connection, just disconnect and they will simply turn off. So that's how it looks with the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. That's how you power on and off this device. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.